Hey, good morning, guys. So I am starting this morning off with cleaning my face. This is a routine of mine that I really need and believe in because of me working around oil, and that if you work around oil at your facility, you might want to start thinking about cleaning your face. Got the handy dandy brush. Now if you don't see no lather, you can go ahead and add a little more water to whatever cleaner that you use for your skin. Make sure that you're getting it all clean. Make sure you get around your lip and in between your nose. This is vital because we live in a world where there's so much germs everywhere and our hands are touching everything, and with us not even thinking about it, we're touching our skin. So you're introducing the germs back to your skin. So a good scrub like this is good for you. And plus, it feels good. I hope you all are having a great day. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Okay. So once I do that, I take a little bit of my Dove soap because I'm real big on Dove. And I rub it onto my, onto my bar. And then I put some Dove right over onto my skin. So you can just take the brush, lather up your, if it's a certain kind of soap like Oil of Olay or Dove. Those are the only two really soaps that I really like on my skin, because they prove to have worked. So there we go. Okay guys, I'll see you later with another upload on a different topic. Okay, bye.